We are back. It's time to get magical. Pretty thrifty patch, huh? Ryan Broyles, set the rookie cards aside, and inserts, minis, and base. What does that mean? Running from cops. What is? Stephen Hill, Joe Adams, Steve Young insert, Steve Young mini, base. Why you want to Cedric Benson? Is Eli in this? Oh. Melvin Ingram, another Mohamed Sanu insert, the Velvet. Jimmy Graham, base and base. Well, you can almost kind of pencil them in because if it's a base, they said normally he's in there. They're probably numbered to like 2. Ronnie Hillman, base, mini of Michael Vick, base, mini of Patrick Peterson, and Jarius Wright, and Andrew Luck rookie. Oh, okay. I didn't know what you said. It looked like a typo. Melvin Ingram again. Base. Michael Agnew, everybody's favorite player. Mario. Greg Childs. Alshon Jeffrey. And base. Oh, he is in this? Well, let's pull you Cedric Benson. It won't be for long, but base, base. Marvin Jones rookie, a duel of Matt Schwab and Andre Johnson, Jim Kelly, Dwight Jones, base and base. Justin Blackman, base, base. Supernatural Stars, it's a pretty background. A mini of Jermaine Curse, and base. And base. Yeah, he want to sign with anybody. Anybody that's running a 4-3 and is on turf. Base. Save that one for you. Magical Moments, LaShawn McCoy, Shady for 6, whatever the hell that is. Jarrell Worthy, mini, there you go. Base, and David Wilson. Yeah, he would like Ryan Lindley again. Base, base. Hoff. Mini of Jeff Fuller. Case Keenum. Cyrus the Virus Gray. They need to put shit in here that might look like an auto so we have something to do in between all this shit. Michael Agnew. Ryan Broyles. Andrew Luck. Nice one. It's a valuable insert. Jim Brown. There goes your Cedric Benson. And Jeff Fuller again. Base, base, Travis Benjamin. Base, mini of Jason Babin. Base, base, and Brian Quick. Yeah, he's the greatest of all ghosts. That's for damn sure. Base, base. Oh, shit. Oh, well. I fell for the banana tailpipe. You guys get to see it first, YouTube. A nice one, too. Mr. Luke Kuechly. Probably impossible to slow roll these. Supernatural AP, mini John Baldwin, base, Brandon Whedon, and base. That's a nice one. Sad that's probably the best hit so far, but I'll take it. Congrats, Panthers. Way to own us. For the Bears, a duel of what's-his-faces. The guy Miami gave away. A mini of Jarius Wright, Ja'Cory Harris, and base and base. You got two, buddy. You got two. Yeah, no, he can play. That's for damn true. Damn it. Hey, another nice one. David DeCastro autograph. He has a nice auto. Pretty good lineman, too. Supernatural. Jay Cutler. Dale Richardson. And Dontari Poe rookie. I guess it's no slow roll in these, huh? Damn it! Alright. I don't know why we keep getting him, but alright. Bobby Rainey, rookie card for the Ravens. The Ravens are owning it. Supernatural Stars, mini, base, rookie, and base. Alright, we're all out of autos. Quentin Coples, base. Tommy Streeter, Supernatural. The Real Goat, Jesus. Jeremy Maclin, base, base, and base. Base, that's a nice one. Trent Richardson, a Velvet card. JPP, Chris Givens, Joe Montagnier, and Chandler Harnish. There ain't shit else in here but base. I don't know. This is rude. Lamar Miller, base, base, fucking base. Bobby Rainey, and base. Well, I'll take a stick of gum at this point. Something. Base, base. Luke Kuechly, rookie, base. Mike Williams, black border. Devon Steele, and Isaiah Pedon. Base, base, base. Magical Moments, Eli. Mini of Emmett Till Smith, base, base. And Brock Osweiler, rookie. TJ Graham, base. Marvin McNutt, Magical Moment, mini. AJ Jenkins, Jarrell Worthy, and base card. I don't know, but that's the only non-fun part about this. You get all the autos, you're stuck with nothing. Looking for nothing. Hakeem Nicks, mini, base, base, and Greg Childs, rookie. Stephen Hill, Joe Adams, Brandon Whedon, Velvet card. Greg Olson, base, base, and base. Last pack, thank you, Divas. T.Y. Hilton, base, base. Supernatural, Greg Jennings, base, base, and base. Blog, YouTube, if you stayed woke through that, thank you. We'll catch you on the flip side.